This is Cole with the Sound Organization. Today, we're going to unbox the new Rega Planar 8. So first we'll see our user manual here. And directly underneath we'll find our dust cover, newly designed for the RP8. And when we remove the table itself, be sure to grab it by the frame. Do not lift by the sub platter. Get your counterweight for your tone arm here. And come stock with the Neo PSU. Power supply for the PSU. As well as the new 3-layer platter. Thanks for watching the unboxing video for the Planar 8. For more information, including setup instructions, please visit us at soundorg.com.